Hello students, this is the slide of xylem complex tissue. As you have already studied about xylem and phloem tissues, so you know very well that xylem tissues, they are made up of four type of cells, that is xylem vessels, tracheids, parenchyma and fibers. Now vessels and tracheids, they are together known as xylem elements. Now tracheids, you can see tracheids are here. Tracheids are narrow elongated cells with thick lignified walls and large cells cavity and tapering end walls. Here you can see they have tapering end walls and they have large cell cavities. They have spiral, scalariform, annular, reticulate or pitted thickenings. Ends are closed. Now second type of cell is vessels. As you can see, vessels are here. It is also shown here. Vessels are rows of elongated tube-like dead cells placed end to end with their transverse or end walls dissolved. They have large cell cavities for conduction of water and mineral salts. These are also dead cells with thick lignified walls. Thickening could be annular, spiral or scalariform. The end walls are dissolved and hence form a perforation plate. You can see a perforated plate like structure is there, which could be simple perforation plate or multiple perforation plate. Here you can see the perforation. After that, this xylem parenchyma, or you can say wood parenchyma. Parenchyma cells associated with xylem are alive, thin walled and assist in conduction of water. In previous classes you have already studied a lot about parenchyma cells. After that, xylem fibers, sculencymatous cells with thick lignified walls, narrow lumen and tapering ends. These provide mechanical strength to xylem and plant. Students, you know very well about the function of xylem, that xylem tissues, they conduct water and minerals from roots to the other parts of the plants. Now the second type tissue is phloem tissues. As you know, phloem tissues, they conduct food material from the leaves and provide it to other parts of the plants. If you see the structure of phloem, then here you can see that phloem tissues, they consist of phloem parenchyma, then companion cells, this is nucleus, there are sieve tubes and these are sieve plates. In sieve plates you can see sieve pores are there. This is the LS, lateral section of phloem, and this one is the transverse section of phloem. In transverse section of phloem you can see phloem fibers, side plates, then side pores, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma. All these cells you can able to see. Students, phloem cells conduct food from leaves to the rest of the plant. This I have already explained you. They are alive at maturity and are usually located outside the xylem. Phloem is a complex tissue and consists of following cells. That is sieve elements. I have already stated you. Sieve elements consist of sieve cells and sieve tubes. Sieve cells, they are long, cylindrical cells with tapering ends. Cell wall, it has sieve areas on its lateral and end walls. These cells are living at maturity. They have lining up cytoplasm, but nucleus is absent. If you see their location, they found in gymnosperms and pteridophytes. Their function is transport food material. Similarly, if you see sieve tubes, as you can see, sieve tubes are here. They are long cylindrical cells with tapering ends. They have sieve areas as their lateral walls and sieve plates at their end walls. You can see sieve plates here. They are living at maturity. They have lining of cytoplasm but nucleus absent. They are arranged end to end and present in angiosperms only. They transport food material. Now, companion cells. Companion cells, they are also elongated, modified parenchymatous cells, thin-walled. They are living. Nucleus is present, usually attached to the lateral side of sieve tubes. They help in transportation of food material. Now, phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma, you can see here parenchyma. These cells are parenchymatous. They are readily arranged, thin-walled, living. They are intermingled with sieve tubes and used for storage and lateral transport of food material. Now, after that, phloem fibers. Phloem fibers, they are sclerenchymatous tissues, thick with simple pits. They are dead cells. As you know, sclerenchymatous cells are dead cells. They provide mechanical support to the plant body. So, when you observe it under the microscope, you will able to see all these cells in the phloem as well as in xylem. So, when you will observe the slide under low power microscope, then high power microscope, then you will able to observe and all these cells.